Audi services at Motor Edgevantage. It's a big day for Ravi. He is buying an Audi TT from a pre-owned car dealer showroom. He has many questions about the service and upkeep of the luxury car. Hence, he approaches the salesperson Kiran to guide him on the Audi service schedule. Kiran informs Ravi that he must adhere to the Audi recommended maintenance schedule to ensure optimum performance of his car, which is after every 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever is earlier. He also recommends Ravi to take his car only to agent-trained technicians. Ravi requests Kiran to recommend a suitable Audi repair and maintenance service workshop in Singapore. Kiran recommends to him that Motor Edgevantage is the most trusted workshop for Audi car repair and maintenance in Singapore, as they have the latest diagnostic tools and equipment, such as the Audi VAS Diagnostic Tester, which is the most advanced car scanning and diagnostic interface for leading Audi and Volkswagen Group. He also told Ravi that Motor Edgevantage has an expert team of Audi specialists who follow factory-tested guidelines to give the highest level of Audi care. Besides repair and servicing, Motor Edgevantage also offer tuning and customization services for Audi cars. Convinced with Kiran's suggestion, Ravi happily decides to send his car to Motor Edgevantage for periodic servicing and maintenance. Motor Edgevantage, your dependable Audi workshop in Singapore. Thank you. Feel free to call us now.